A group of terrorists attacked a security facility in Balochistan on Friday, and an operation to capture the culprits is currently undergoing. The Inter-Services Public Relations or ISPR revealed that a Frontier Corps or FC camp in the Muslim Bagh area in northern Balochistan was attacked in the early hours of Friday morning. The military sources said that the Commander 12 Corps is supervising the security forces operations being conducted at the Muslim Bagh area in Balochistan, where the terrorists have been cornered into a building complex. They added that at least 2 of them have already been killed. The statement further said that the security forces continue to maintain pressure on the terrorists and a heavy exchange of fire was underway. Former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan is to be released on bail for 2 weeks following a decision from the Islamabad High Court. The bail means that he can't be re-arrested on those charges for at least next 2 weeks. Imran Khan was back in the court following his arrest on Tuesday on corruption charges, which had sparked countrywide violence that had left at least 10 people dead and dozens injured. He remained in the court after the decision as his lawyers petitioned judges for similar protection in a number of other corruption charges, trying to close off legal avenues for the government to arrest him again. Pakistan Supreme Court had ruled yesterday that the arrest was unlawful and had ordered his immediate release from the custody. It had then asked the Islamabad High Court to reconsider its initial decision to uphold the arrest. Billionaire Elon Musk has revealed that he will soon be stepping down as the CEO of Twitter. In a tweet, Musk said, and I quote, "Excited to announce that I've hired a new CEO for Twitter. She will be starting in 6 weeks. My role will transition to being exec chair and CTO overseeing product, software and sysops." According to a report by the Wall Street Journal, Linda Yaccarino is rumored to be the next CEO of the social media company. Yaccarino is chairman of global advertising and partnerships at NBC Universal Media. As per her LinkedIn profile, Yaccarino has been with NBC Universal since 2011. Her current role is described as chairperson, global advertising and partnerships. A magnitude of 5.5 earthquake struck near Lake Almanor in Northern California, sending tremors across the region and as far south as Sacramento. The earthquake, which initially registered as a 5.7 magnitude but was later revised to 5.5 by the US Geological Survey. The epicenter of the quake was located near the southern half of Lake Almanor, just northeast of Sacramento. Although no major damages have been reported thus far, authorities warn that earthquakes of this size have the potential to cause structural damage in the vicinity of the epicenter.